Welcome to Module 7, Maintenance Practices. In this video, we will go through all the questions required by the European Aviation Safety Agency, Part 66. Subsection 7.1, Safety Precautions. Acetylene gas forms an explosive compound, with tin and silver, tin and copper, copper and silver. The correct answer is copper and silver. A CO2 extinguisher is used on solid, liquid, hot metal and electrical fires. Solid, liquid and electrical fires. Solid and liquid fires. The correct answer is solid, liquid and electrical fires. Neither oil nor grease should be used as a lubricant on couplings or pipelines carrying oxygen, kerosene, nitrogen. The correct answer is oxygen. The color of a CO2 type fire extinguisher is red, black, green. The correct answer is black. Which type of extinguisher can be used for engine fire? CO2, water, BCF. The correct answer is CO2. Fire on a landing gear brake should be extinguished with dry powder extinguisher, carbon dioxide extinguisher, water extinguisher. The correct answer is dry powder extinguisher. Once a person has been disconnected from the source of an electrical shock, the next step should be seek assistance immediately. Check for breathing, start AR if necessary. Check for pulse, start cardiac massage if necessary. The correct answer is check for breathing, start AR if necessary. Subsection 7.2, Workshop Practices. The difference between high and low limits of a size for a dimension is known as the deviation, tolerance, fit. The correct answer is tolerance. When using a reamer, use no lubricant. Use the same lubricant as was used on the drill bit. Use lard oil. The correct answer is use the same lubricant as was used on the drill bit. How many teeth per inch are used on a hacksaw blade for cutting hard metal? 54, 36, 26. The correct answer is 26. To drill a 1/4 inch hole in titanium, the correct starting procedure would be to center drill, to center punch, to drill 1/4 inch hole direct. The correct answer is to center drill. A reamer with spiral flutes is removed clockwise, straight, anticlockwise. The correct answer is clockwise. When comparing the machining techniques for stainless steel sheet material L to those for aluminum alloy sheet, it is normally considered good practice to drill the stainless steel at a higher speed with less pressure applied to the drill. Lower speed with more pressure applied to the drill. Lower speed with less pressure applied to the drill. The correct answer is lower speed with more pressure applied to the drill. When stop drilling a crack, what is the typical drill size used? 0.025 inch, 0.250 inch, 0.125 inch. The correct answer is 0.125 inch. Why are some components torque loaded? To ensure that their elastic limit is not exceeded. To ensure they do not vibrate loose. To ensure that they are tightened to their yield point. The correct answer is to ensure that their elastic limit is not exceeded. When using a hand file correctly, the downward pressure should be used on a return stroke, on the forward stroke, on the forward and return stroke. The correct answer is on the forward stroke. Why are test or inspection instruments regularly calibrated and certified? To ensure they will perform within the required limits of operation. To ensure they can handle the range of measurements required of them. To ensure they are being used regularly. The correct answer is to ensure they will perform within the required limits of operation. What drill angle is used to drill titanium? 130 to 140 degrees. 105 to 120 degrees. 90 to 100 degrees. The correct answer is 105 to 120 degrees. The picture shows a torque wrench with an extension. To apply a torque of 350 inch-pounds, the reading on the dial should be 350 inch-pounds, 280 inch-pounds, 245 inch-pounds. The correct answer is 280 inch-pounds. What should be done if a tool is found not to be working to its calibrated requirements? An engineer should adjust it to restore it to the correct operation. It should be placed back into stores and kept in service until the next calibration is due. It should be removed from service, marked as unserviceable and sent away for overhaul. The correct answer is it should be removed from service, marked as unserviceable and sent away for overhaul. When turning the handle on a megger with the probes kept apart, the needle stays at infinity. The needle deflects to infinity. The needle moves to zero. The correct answer is the needle stays at infinity.